Bracken, I think that one of the things that you've been able to do is you've got a broad sense of the whole world and what people are doing. And it's very clear to me that you recognize that people are going to be working from home, and whatever they have at home simply isn't good enough. Correct?
That's correct. That's exactly right, Jim. You know, a lot of people who started working from home scrambled. They either brought something home from the office that already probably wasn't exactly what they needed, or they scrambled out and bought something, whatever they could get, because not a lot was available. So we're really optimistic about the long term. We think there's a lot of upgrading coming and more workspaces to enable.
Yeah, I mean, my take is that when I look at what you guys have come up with, I mean, not that you guys didn't have the best stuff to begin with, but I recognize that I've got what I would call a completely third-rate system that I use. And I can barely keep up with the good stuff that you come out with. But mine was good enough, okay? But now I start feeling like it's obvious that it's amateur hour. So what do you do? How do you tell clients about how to find what they really need and what's wrong and what's right and what they need to step up to?
Well, this is such a great question. You know, I was talking to my CFO, Nate Olmstead, yesterday, and this is a guy who came from HP. He knows the tech industry. He came in, he was using a wired keyboard and a wired mouse when he got here. Now he uses this, which is MX Master, and he's like, if you realize how few people know how good these products are. And I think the answer is we really didn't have a scale to spend enough money to educate people with marketing. And with this year kind of changed that for us. We're so much larger now. We can afford to spend money on marketing. We're doing it. If you want to, the single easiest way to find out what you need is go on our website. There's a configurator. You can go into the configurator, you answer like 3 or 4 simple questions, and poof, you know exactly what you need. And for the first time probably in your life, you'll have a great setup.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.